for a person with the baba everything. What? That's it. But my part is very. I forget my pant. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today is about Sarah Tbox and Kate wait up say she na wish for social media. Now their matter I want to talk about today. So I see one video where Sarah talk say when he go Kate's house, and I hope many of you remember when Kate do marriage, Sarah was there, she did the marriage. So she can't talk say she forgets her pants for Kate's house. When I know say of recent now quarrel dey between two of them now. So she can't talk say she forget the part for them because she dey fear with the time when she dey follow Kate they make friends, because e get why I want to talk this video today. He said the time when they follow Kate they make friends, Kate they very diabolical well. He say all those things where Kate they do for social media, where she dey talk say she na wish, she na this, e go dey evoke their spirit. That time he say they evoke a lot of spirit because say he carry Monica head go Zimbabwe. I don't know the African country where he say carry and go. Many of them are there away. So she can't talk say all those things where she they do, she not just they carry they do am for social media. He say na true say she they carry that thing past social media. He say he get one time where he say me there. He say he go wake her in the night. So oh yeah, come pray. But we can't do this thing. But we'll talk for egg. He say they'll come begin they carry egg. What did she never do before? She begin they do am because they follow Kate, they make friends. So she come they want advise people now say, make them not near Kate. Oh, he say Kate, everything where Kate they talk, everything where Kate they say, all those social media things where Kate they do. He say Kate they read, they carry am go to the other level. He say not be lie. Oh, he say so he want just use this medium to tell everybody say Kate really did diabolical well. Don't be say joke. You understand? More na listen. Don't be smart you. She talks so many things wey even make me come tire. Say, I saw this life be. The life no balance, oh my darling people. The life no balance. Eh? Don't be smart you.
In this street.
She even see verse for the way Kia Queen take talk. More na listen to what she talk, Sha. Before I go begin the, I'll see proof video.
So far me on a video. Meaning, even if now who I day, I will see on video. We die here, we die here. I dey street oh. I know the street oh. He have a meaning la wa. That's the man. Now I better test you. Now I better pass you the key. Why were you tear bonny lolo? After I don't do it for Monica, you manipulate for Monica finish. Ona be lawe lolo. Why were you tear bonny lolo? After instead they tell Faith come out.
He said wetin make an verse for Kate. He said Kate no con follow and insult Lolo.
Say come out. Oh me me. She tell you say you go cause Lolo. Maybe she tell you I don't know. Now I'm telling you. Faith come out. Faith in our way the demed. Oh, be Faith to a banana. Then she bring Faith come out since how many months they using direct draw. They do different things since. Did you know that? You not know. And you said another thing. Me I finish that Lolo. The day when she can't talk, when she can't say me I go curse Lolo, when I can't say I know the curse. Faith can't tell me. Faith they always tell me since say they use your head though. They use your head though. No, be everything when Mama Naomi go they tell me they do not be they do. no get use your head. They carry what you don't know.
Una dey hear.
Faith no say.
Why are they talk and be say, una wey they always they say, I want chest down, I want go fight for person. Fight for yourself. Don't fight for anybody again for this social media. Fight for yourself. Because at the end, Ada no go be your second name. Fight for yourself. Don't fight for anybody. They know water for this social media. They know water. Before Lolo and Monica come talk, say, Mona don't fight for me again. Because they don't see and say, immediately you come up for where then they, now to come they insult them. You understand? When they hear the way Kate say they worry them, when they call help and fight.
Say, God got to tell me one day, say, make I stop. If I stop to the support her, to the joiner, she will stop. Make her not they give her that chance again.
He say Faith can't tell her, say, may he stop to they do this thing. Make it not the market. He say, now he can't really stop. I really notice and say, Sarah not come they insult Lolo again like that. Because Lolo not even be doing many things. Now because of Kate. Now because of Kate, now even be make her the insult her.
Share the video.
Una dey hear.
Share the video.
Say Mona share the video.
People say make I not the join again. If you see say I don't withdraw my support, or we may not me no low, then make her they do. Make her stop because say you know they do.
Yeah.
If it here go, say go come out or make no say ball la bien. You are not in this one, so that's why they say make you not talk with you no know. Eh, they bet that way. No try again. The one way if you say you know, just pack her. I know say she don't call you. Hurt your.
Ekia Queen, I in the talk now. Say make Ekia Queen shut up in mouth. Ekia Queen don't know how the things stay happen. All those one when you come they talk, you know say that one that don't see us man now. It doesn't fit enter us. Now she be telling us that I say. If you pick it now reach 18 years, I'm not going to marry anybody. My daughter must be 18 years before I will marry. If pikin never even reach 5 years, now you don't marry. More than the less social media people they deceive you now. Better they deceive you now. Now know they deceive you now. So I go put the video now where the Tbox they talk so many things. More than can't yet story.
I was free for her. Basically, they baba everything. That's it. But my party is very. I forget my pant oh. Cause I have bomb.